scent of this ginger is intoxicating. Oh my God, it's amazing. Look at this beautiful flower. Nature is stunning. Hi everybody, welcome. Today we're at El Yunque Tropical Rainforest in Puerto Rico. It's the only tropical rainforest in the United States. And we're going to show you a whole bunch of different tropical plants that you can look at and consider for your own garden. So, you ready to dig in? Let's grow. I hope you guys are ready for this incredible tropical tour. Today we're at the El Yunque National Forest. It's right here in beautiful Puerto Rico. It's a wonderful place to visit if you get the chance. And as a landscape architect, I know I've seen a lot of green spaces around the world, but let me tell you, this rainforest hits different. It's the only tropical rainforest in the United States forest system, and it's packing nearly 29,000 acres of pure biodiversity. Incredible. And so what I'm going to do is take you on a little insider's tour of the forest floor, all the way up into the clouds, the cloud forest they call it. And we're going to talk about the beautiful waterfalls, the beautiful walkways, and some of the other cool features of this incredible national forest. The main view you're seeing here is from the Torre Yukawa, a historic about 70-foot tall observation tower, and has this panoramic view of the rainforest, 360 degrees, just spectacular. You can see the clouds rolling in and the rain and mist coming, and then it would pass through us and then the sun would come back out again. Really, really cool. And you would feel the temperature change when these clouds, you're up in the cloud forest actually here, a rainforest cloud forest. How cool is that? Many of the locals call this the two-faced tree because the bottom sides turn silver when the rain start to come because the gusts of wind kick them up, and they're very dramatic. And as you can see here, they're actually flipping up because we have a rainstorm rolling in. If you look over here to the north, you can see the beautiful turquoise waters of Loquillo Beach and the city right next to it. And as we turn to the rest of the forest, this is the Loquillo mountain range of which the rainforest resides. One of the cool things about experiencing places like this is that you can utilize your experience and apply it to your own garden design. You can be inspired by what you see and the contrast between the plants and the textures and the colors. And a great way to create a resilient and sustainable garden is to emulate nature itself in as much as you can. And I'll go over some of these principles with you today so that if you're interested, you can consider doing something like this for your own backyard, creating a lush, immersive rainforest-like experience. The first step would be to plant the canopy trees like gumbo limbo, oaks. You can use the paradise tree, which is a native in Florida, or other large trees to create that canopy. And then you could also consider using larger palms like the royal palm and coconut palm if you have the room. And then under there will be understory plants, which will be tree ferns, heliconias, gingers, smaller palms, and calatheas. And then you'll have the forest floor, which will have ferns like macho fern or the Boston fern. You want to consider using the native, but there's also other types of fern. And if you have an area that's a low-lying area that kind of gets wet, you can use the maidenhair fern, which is great. And it's really light and dainty. Look at this, oh my God. Look at these beautiful tree ferns I have here in the rainforest. They're enormous, enormous. And you can see some bromeliads growing on them, some orchideas. Look at that, spectacular. You definitely can emulate something like this in your own yard, not at this scale, but they're just beautiful. Look at the size of these leaves. These tree ferns are huge. So cool. Come in here, look at this. Look at this beautiful flower. What a beautiful, beautiful orchid. You can see the orchid leaves here, just growing right out the side of the cliff. You guys, the scent of this ginger is intoxicating. Oh my God, it's amazing. Wow, just look at it. Isn't that beautiful? Nature is stunning. So cute. Let me bring her close to you. It smells amazing. And then that fresh rainforest air, I don't know how to describe it. It's just incredible. Another nice feature to consider if you have the room in your garden is to incorporate water. If you can create a little water feature or a waterfall, that's going to create a wonderful tropical experience. And it's actually, the sound of water is very calming, and it creates this rich sensory experience for your garden. And right here before you is the beautiful, famous La Coca Falls at the El Yunque Rainforest. Isn't she beautiful? Look at that, just growing up the side of the mountain. So beautiful. And then to our left and down here, you can see the waterfall, river. Just beautiful. Some bamboo.
Look at this. Aren't these beautiful? Wow. Let's talk a little bit about scale. In a rainforest, the scale you can see can get enormous. When many of our backyards, it's a little bit smaller, but that's okay. A rainforest is known for this scaffolding. It's a layered effect. You have taller trees overhead, then you have understory, and then the ground cover. That's just beautiful everywhere you turn. Such a beautiful tropical rainforest. Little cutie pie! Look at her! Isn't this understory just magnificent? The temperature change is amazing from the sun to the shade. The temperature change is incredible. Like just 10 feet over here, it's full sun, but back in here, you just feel like the temperature drop. It's just much cooler. Really interesting.
We hope you enjoyed the visit here at El Yunque Tropical Rainforest. It's a magical space. If you have any thoughts or questions, please leave them down below or on our email at letsgroweco@gmail.com. So until the next video, bye. Please remember to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. And tell your friends and family. We post videos weekly. Thanks.